Haubnai leber arhajar khatpra la thau ya kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kaseng National People's Party kala lam khmat di kasorkar sinrop da kajengker sha jong pun teli kiseng kibla ya telok. Kiseng balawan bani sinrop lang ki kentup ik NPP, United Democratic Party, People's Democratic Front, Hill State People's Democratic Party, Khon Nyotrap National Awakening Movement, Nationalist Congress Party, but Bharatiya Janata Party. Nelor jengkini kiseng, lai ngot ki kertong shimet lami syakmat ban ai ka jengkershan ya kani ka jingya sinrop. Kamlong ka blingo ba ke ka bami na ka jingjiet nong mi khmat shaking dorbar thau ai ka jila Meghalaya jong ka snem 8,000 khatpra ka long ba don ki bala ban thau sarkar hi tang ka we ka seng kumta la don kam ban thau da ka sarkar sinrop ha ka jila hadin ka jingpin banai ka result ka UDP bat ka HSPDP ka balong ka seng ka be trailang ki dei ki arteli ki seng ki ba Congress ka kwa bha bandon shakal yang jongka namar ka dei ka Congress ka balayo pun tam ka jingjob hado arpway teli ki Shuki bat ka NPP pat ka long ka seng ka buan baar bat job khat khandai teli ki Shuki ki dei ki seng ki bala banthau sarkar hadin arsngi bla pinbanai ka result ka yeng sa jong I Dr. Don Kupar Roy ibalong inong yalam ka seng UDP kala long ka jaka ka babanan nam tam ha ka jila kiseng riu luom bagentuk ya ka UDP HSPDP knam bat PDF ki badan baro khatlai ngut ki MLA kala day banlong kum ka bor ka bahap banda pet ha hindre kani ka kinhon kamla bani perkhat lang bat ye le ban kring ban thau sarkar hadin balami ka result ka kinhon jong ki seng riu lom ki dana ka benta ba kerpang ban thung sim ka sarkar kan don bet sakano kano kalyang ba ki seng riu lom ki rai ban ai ka jengker shan jong ki da ka jengmi shakmat jong ki hinriu teli ki seng san hima ban kershan ya ke NPP ka balam khmat ha ka jilla kumta la ban thau ya ke MDA kumta watla ka seng Congress ka balong ka seng ka bayo pun tam ya ka jingjob na ki arpway teli ki Shuki kala syak kentat no syarot namar baro kilalet penyes no ketilang u MP natura bat u balong group presiden ka seng NPP u Conrad ke sangma ulalong unong yalam jong ka sarkar sinrop ke MDA bat lapen bam smayo u kum menteri rangba ka jila Meghalaya hakasamoy trekam hapedeng ka snem 8,000 khatpra 8,000 arphulai ladon bun teli ki jingjiet nong mikmat shiteng samoy ha ka jila ka bakintup haranikor Ampati South Tura Selsila Rajabala Mauringkeneng bat Mauplang na marbo Conrad sangma udu dukot jong ka parliament jong ka Shuki Lok Sabha natura kumta kalong ka bedon kamyo u ba ulyeng banipun ha ka jingjit nong mi khmat shiteng samoy ka MLA na South Tura ka agatha sangma dala ka mon ngobha jong ka kala no ya ka kamkum ka dukot jong ka khatway Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ban plelat linti yo hummen jong ka u Conrad ki sangma u balong ru menteri rangba jong ka jilla u Dr. Mukul sangma unong yalam ka seng Congress Legislature Party ula job na baro artli ki jaka ki ba ulaya kun kata na songsak bat Ampati hindre ula no ay ka Shuki na Ampati kertong jong ka Congress ka Miani di Shira kala job bat ya kani ka Shuki langin ong ya kani ba kadai ka jingpen ya ne ka jingjia ringkhat ka Shuki jong ka laipusan ranikor kabla job da u Martin M Dango kala thli hadin ba uniu nong mikmat dala ka mon ngobha le jong ula no ya ka kam bat let penis no yala die shakaseng NPP udango ula remno pat ha ka jingi kun nong mikmat shiteng samoy ha u kertong ka UDP upius marwen Ki Shuki haki constituency kumka Bal Sesela, Raja Bala, Jingiakneih but Mauplang. Kila thli namar ka jingkla no jungkit khot. Kani kalawan ra ka jingkala ka rukom long ka sinshar khadar but kalawan ra sho ya ka jingklan jong ka kinhun ka besinshar. Da kani ka rukom long ha ka kinhun sinrop ka besinshar ka sorkar ka lakalla. Minta ka NPP ka don ar pulai ngut kinong mikmat ha ka yin dorbar tauan ka badon hinriu pautali ki Shuki but kalalong kaseng ka babon tam kinong mikmat. Kaseng United Democratic Party ka badon prangut kinong mikmat ka yo ya ka kerdan ka bekerpang. Ka People's Democratic Front Sawut, Hill State People's Democratic Party Arngun, Kuan Trap National Awakening Movement but National Congress Party baro ar kini gidon tangmar iwei MLA but kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kadon arngut. Ki arngut ki kertong shimet ru kila ai ka jingkershan ya ka sorkar jilla. Kaseng Kongres ka badon ha kaliang persya kadon minta stang khat nyongut ki MLA. Kaliang persya ka badon ka Jingiakneih ka Jingwan jong MP ka Shillong uba Vincent H. Pala. Uba pai kmat sa kaseng Kongres but long sindan u President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Kalanang penhe susu ya ka Jingiakneih hapo kaseng jong kaliang persya. Kumba khat arngut kinong mi kmat da ka jinglam kmat jong u Dr. Mukul Sangma kilami no sindon na ka Kongres but is no aktino siya kaseng All India Trinamool Congress ka Balawan ra ka jingkala ha ka rukomlong ka Sainpyrthei ha ka jila. Khat arngut ki MLA kila penyeso siya ka TMC. Sangut ki MLA kila no ya ka Congress. Wat lagi nong yang lam badang sa kaseng Kongres kibala persyang ban pengat ikini ki khat arngut kinong mi kmat da ka boong baki kintiap seng Hindrei namar bakim shimlala ban le kata kumta kimban se ban lej ban penyesno ban ajing kersano ka sorkar MDA balanang kham ban klanchu sho ka sorkar ka badan hadu sau pu prangut ki dekot kumta kini ki ardli ki seng ba persya Kongres pat BJP lalong lang no sya ka jo ka sorkar sinrop ha Meghalaya kisan ngut ki MLA Kongres ki barang sa Meghalaya lingba ka jinglam khamat inong yalam ikong amprin lingdo kila lej ban ai jingkershan ye ka sorkar sinrop bala lam khamat do menteri rangba u Conrad ki sangma jong ka National People's Party ni NPP ha ka ba ka seng BJP ru kala long ka seng balai te lo baro kisan ngut ki MLA Congress kle kendo padu sangma ban lej ai ka shithi jong ka jingkershan jong ki ban penshitom ya ka ni ka jingle ka Kongres kala wengno sendonia baro sangut ki MLA. Shen Marsin Shimti kumu menteri rangba ka jilla hausnem 8,000 khatpra. U Conrad ke sangma ula kular bo un penmi iki katto kat ni ki program ki ban yahap lang ya baro da ka bakin thop lang ye ki mat jong baro ki sengsan hima ki bathau sorkar bot ula pentikna bani trei lang kum ka we kan hun knang ba onla ban weng ki jing ki bala ban mi ha ka sorkar yasinro larai ba on thau ya ka committee ka ban kin thop ki nomi khman ki sengsan hima ba pher ban trei na ka benta ki mat ki ba ki sengsan hima ki pen pau ki election Hindrei layat sans nemru shimdon kum kita ki program mat kani kala penlong kini ki seng ba yasinrop bakin tuklar hi yala ki jong ki mat Hindrei kat ba nang jan kiski ban long ka jingjiet nong mi khmat baro kini ki seng yasinrop kilaya pra la ka jong hashwa jong ka jingjiet nong mi khmat ring dorbar thawan ka jila Meghalaya ki seng yasinrop ha ka jila kinthop ika National People's Party ki ong bakin ne bet ha ka we ka jingmut makin ya kun ya kini ki election 8,000 pulai dang daledehi unong mi khmat barang ba ka seng BJP bat ubalong u MLA la san sien linter uba Alexander lalu hek ula kren da ka baong ma u hi shimet kwa banitrei lang bat u Conrad sangma ni NPP Hindrei, karai jong kinong ya lamba klie, kadai ke bakat do. Uhek, udai ru unong aibut ya menteri rangba jong ke Meghalaya. Ki kendon terekam ke BJP ki bepersa ke sorkar, ki la penra anyuk mat ki bebun. Keseng kam jurit pan ken thok persa ke NPP, bat ya unong ya lam keseng ukonret ki sangma, syapang ki kam bamsap. Kajingi kun hapedeng ukonret sangma bat u Vice President ke BJP u Bernard Marak na Sautura constituency kalanang penjau syuk-syuk ya kajingi day.
Personally, for us AL Hek, I would not like to work with NPP. But our party decision is taken by the national leaders. I cannot go against the decision taken by the national leaders. If you ask me, no. But the decision of this party, it has to be obeyed. I'm not seeing any major development or not any major project been taken up by our government. If you talk about the few major government which has been outsourcing, like the Vivanta, they've inaugurated during the MDA government, but its work been done far, long back it was. So this is a project of many chief ministers. You talk about the JW marriage, that also the project of many chief ministers. So many government has come, so many chief ministers has come, so this project is still going on. So we cannot be taking credit or claim this is our project.
Inong aibut berem ke UDP, bat iba longru i MDC bersujit, iba bendo lanong, iba longru inong mi kemat balarem, bat ibla ajen kersan ke sorkar MDA, ila penpawi ke jing kuslai syapang ke jing terekam jong ke sorkar, bat dangshan ila keno, maka jela ke don hapedeng ke jing jot ke bakrau.
The state is in shambles. The state is really in shambles. You talk of boundary dispute with Assam. You talk of employment. You talk of economy. You talk of development in general. Everything in shambles.
Kajingja ka bakham so tenat ka belajar shwa ka jing tap vote kalong baka Jingiakneih Shuki ka dang petenghi kumba ar pongut ki MLA na pedeng kin rio pongut ki nongmi kmat hayeng dorbar tauan kila keliang ka jing kersan ka sengsan hima ka ba ki kersan lingkong kila let ban penis no pat ki wei pat ki seng hadien pa bon ki kila e no ke Shuki bakin thop ki tu ki bedan ya ka matre kam ka belong persang but no ya ka Shuki haswa ka election ar pulai ke ka bayo ka sengsan hima hakini ki lom kalong pakinong mi kmat kiele bare kini Shuki ha ka rukom ba pher na kin rio pongut kinong mi kmat ha ka jela iwe na ka lai benta ki la kliang ya ka jingkersan jongki na ka seng ka baki kersan haswa tang hakini ki kendar nai mencham snem Khat armut ki MLA Congress sa Meghalaya kila let benes no ketilang bat ke TMC. Bat ya kanila lam kemat do menteri rangba berim gejela umukul sangma. Bat kani kala penlong ya ke TMC bakan long ke seng ka bah kemat akal yang persya tang ha ka shikleman. Hindrei hakini ki shibnai beladap keladon ke jinge marek thong ha ki bebun ki jat ki rukom. La kumnu kumba ar pongut na kin rio pongut ki MLA ki la keliang ya jing shenya jongki hakaseng ka bakidon minshwa hashwa banlong ka election ha Meghalaya hinre iwe ikrtong shimet ila let ban peniso bat ke BJP klem da i no kam kumu MLA ban so bat ke BJP bat kumta ka jingdon ki nong mi khmat minta ka yeng dorbar thau an ka long sau phuwe ngut minta namar bala nang duna ka jingdon jongki nong mi khmat ha yeng dorbar thau an ka Meghalaya ne ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly minta tongine pet ka long kumno La sakhi ka jingkala ka sengsan hima ka jilla hadin ka jingmi ka sengsan hima bathma ka VPP da ka jingthmu ban wanra ka jingkala ka sengsan hima ka jilla u MLA barim na nongkrim constituency upa Arden Miller Basaimot ha ka snam 8000 arpuai ula seng ya ka seng Voice of the People Party kanong rim jong ka jingpin mi ikani ka seng kalong ban wanra ay kasan hima ka bakhot na kabanta ka seng kamut ba on om ay lat kinu ki kambam sap on om sha sho ay ka jingle shiliang bat kani ka di ka jing thmu ba khamat e jong ka seng ka basngau tanat ka long ba kani ka di ka seng ka ban ningkong e ban yo hadu iway pon nyaw lai lak tingka ka jing no sinyang pisa ni ki pat nong krishan kani ka jing no sinyang pisa la le ka jing lang pat pa bala penlong da ka seng hamadan polo hinre ka jing mut jongka ka seng san hima ka bakhot ne clean politics kan tre kam hadu kat no ka jilla ka dei ka bangidang hap ani pen haka ar punyau trek urimpang onda on penlong ka jing thap bot ka jilla on sala pan bishari ki seng san hima ha ki liang ba pher
only is the basis, clean politics alone, I can say, is the basis of good governance. So if there is good governance, you will understand that everything will be set in place.
Haka khat ar tarik ukalaling kot. Ke NPP kala penmi ia ka kai pot jong ka jing trai kam jong ka hakmat upat pa. Haka jing persang ban pensisai kini ki kam penroi balawan ra da National People's Party. Haka ayom jingsen char jongka ka NPP kala penlat ya ka jing tho bala tip kum ka promises delivered ka batmu ban pin I ka jing yat lang jong ki kular bala clay haka snem 8000 khat pra bat ki ki bala dep ban le hadu minta la pin mi kini ki kular ban wan ra ka jing kala hajan paro ki liang namar minta ka NPP kan wan syah kabor nadu ka plating ka ne finance ka puli puthi pat ka jing pentebet ki brio ka kot ka kya ki lenti singkin ka jing kelah ki boarding ba ka jing penkentiu ka sor ki te ki kattu ka di ki benta ha ka ba ka sor kar ka kular banwan ra ki ki babha ha ka liang ka pisah tingka bat ka jing kelah ka yok ka kon ka seng ka kam bakwan ra ya shibon ki jing kelah bat la pen kelah ki kendon bat ki an ki bede ba ka jing lum khajna ni taxation katanat transport but mining kabala yarap banla ban pin scam ya ka jinglum khajna haka liang ka puli puthi pat ka jing pentebet iki sap ki pong jung ki brio ka seng ka ong kala kular ban persang ban pelong ya ki to ki kena school but college ki bla no shiteng por bakin peteng biang ka jing puli laya tho babon ki kena ki bla shiteng por ka jing puli la yo ki jing kai pentebet ha ki liang ba pher ha ka bay day bat ka kular man pen bha bat kan tiu shu ki jaka puli ka seng ka ong plade pan kan tiu kerdania kumba 8000 teli ki school lade pan pli hadu ar puai teli ki People's College bat ami ki jaka puli ki bahaka kerdan basalor hamanla ki district hinrei Bon ki skul hari lom garo kidang long yeng ja namar ka jing trei kam jongki kalong ka bambiang. Nakal benta ki nong hikai. Ke NPP ka ong. Pakla dat man penkiu ke tulop jongki nong hikai ad hoc. Pada ke tulop badang sa jongki nong hikai SSA. Ladat pan penput lun. Kat ba ladat pan pen scam ya ka kam jongki 8,000 saus pangut kinong hikai lower but upper primary. Nilai keren ber inong thok kubor ibelayok pedang ke kusnam Pat Bushri ikong Patricia Mukim ibedangsan ilalech ki jaka bakam kendong bani keren bat bon ngut kinong thap vote. Iong baksorkar MDA bamenta kamat bon bahagi jeng persyak hagi babon kiliang. Kaseng NPP belalam kemat ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance minta ka don hakalinti ka ba ha na marbun ki jingkeno persya ka halor ki kam bamsap na lor jong ka COVID-19 kani ka sorkar kala syak kawang pat syak keno bamsap hakabay day bat ka subagya ka jingjelay ki kam ti doyong ka kam bamsap hakaliang ukhaw FCI pat ki kenram haka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited pat kiway ka jing persyang banbu jing perkhing ke Gaming Act kalawan ra ka jing ketok bejur hinre hakapor baka jela kala penkrek ban thap vote pon ke jing keli bekim patla ban ai jubab.
I see it as a government that will have to face a lot of anti-incumbency because, see, the problem is also that we as the public, even as media, we forget to ask these questions again and again. What has happened to all those scams? The power scam, the rice scam, then every other thing. Why was James Sangma removed from Home Department? Why was he removed from Power Department? We are not digging up into all that. Now we are going to the polls and we forgot to ask these questions. So now I'm trying to tell people, please ask these questions. These are important.
Habakran chusu shapanggi jingkam jong ke NPP halor ki kular ki belala ban pen urlong kaseng ko ong hakaliang ka kwat ka kia kaseng kala kular ban pen bahai ki jing syakri khnang ba ki brieu ki yo ki lat ajing sumar ki ba kodor ki ba biang bat ki bala ban yo ye ki da ka basuk klem ki nu ki jing shu ban plie ki lat ki lenti benang kintiu ru ye ki lat ajing sumar jongki jaka ajing sumar shimet hinre ka jing shisha halor kani kadang long hi kumju kilat ajing sumar ka jela kidang don kampon bha ka jing pai khmat hinre de tang dang shen lala ban ple ka cancer unit jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital ka blaja hadin ka jing shim khia jong ka yin bishar jong ka high court ka jela Meghalaya kaseng ka kamba ka sorkar kalashna bon ba kilinti singking pat ki surok hakini ki sansnem banya ke eg blale ki arposnem jong ka sorkar balale hakaliang ki kam jngo kai Sainpyrthei ke NPP ka kular by ka state tourism policy lala ban pentrekam kat kum kaseng la ongru balada panthau ke Meghalaya mineral prevention of illegal mining transportation and storage rules 8,000 ban khang lat ye ka jingti dewyong be an ban pinkit ban penlang ban kmi ye ki khayi be an ha ka jela la da ban ai ye ki prospecting license sha ki khatnyo tili ki seng la benra la ban kadaw hang ni bahagini ki sans nem bala la lap shibun ki jing pinkit be an yo do yong ha ka ba ka high court ru kala shim khya sha phangni ka kam la yo lum jing tip halor shibun ki jing yap ki bala jia ki krem do yong ha ka be day ba ki jing kentiu ki kam pen roi sor ke NPP klai tho bala don ka plan ha ka ba la yo hadu pras pa nyo pho ekar ka jaka ha New Shillong Township na lor ka jing persang ban pin bhai ki jing te ha ki jaka sor pat kum juru ban pen kluit ki jaka ki bakhap nya ki bedon ha sor kat kum kani ki jing tho lada pan pelat ke Smart Town Project Jawai Nongston Bad William Nagar la ruban kano hang ni belada pan thau ke Shillong International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture kalong kaman ha kasuk kasan kalong ka bajai jai kini kisan snam belada lakam kaseng hinre Lasaki syupun ki jing thot kesuk kesan kini kisan senem ruk kumju. Kamat ke bedai berkharijan koloni, ke jingjah icamati, bat ke jingjah syak-syak hamukro. Kidai ki kat tu kat ni ki jingjah. La rupan kedau hang ni ki kat tu kat ni ki skim kum ke fokus. Bat ke fokus plus. Yes Meghalaya. Skills Meghalaya bat kiwe ha kebalakam bakala kentiu ke jing im ki briu. La ban ong hang ni belami ki jing kena persyak ke sorkar halor ke jing pendon kam baklai ke fokus bat fokus plus scheme. Inong thok ku borang ba ila ke doru badan syupon ba ke jing bembiang ha ke sorkar. Dang bun ba ke ni ke sorkar kampat la ban le aduk menta. Kelenti badan kam ban le na ke benta ke sorkar batemai. Hang no ngiduna.
You cannot give financial assistance to a group that has not been skilled. You have to skill them you have to show them by example how working as a cooperative helps. Because in other places you have farmer producers cooperatives. They decide the price. Over here the farmers are not deciding the price. If this is not bridged, if the farmers who are growing the vegetables do not get their returns, agriculture will go down.
I social activists iblalong benta ikertong banekun election ikong Angela Rangat iwain ikertong kentay na kakam Meghalaya habakrench pangkasorkar MDA ilaong kalong kaba ithamula haba kinong mikmat na kaseng Congress ha kaba kinong yalam jengki hadien kimi ino balik pineso siya ka All India Trinamool Congress paro kidon lang hakalin kapo ka jeng kali halor ka jeng skap jar jong ki seng riu lom men ha ka ba lami ka jeng ka tho halor ka jeng jelai ka jeng ti dau yong be an omdon ka jeng yo nong AA sa ka plating ka jela pat ka ni ka tho ba omdon ka jeng yo pisa AA namar omdon bakren AA kala keno ru ba ka por badon ka COVID-19 don chibon ka jeng bam sap hinrei ki seng riu lom ki shus ngap jar jar.
Regional parties that talk about indigenous rights and ensuring that we maintain and we protect our resources, whether it's land or the wealth of forests and rivers. They said nothing when there was rampant illegal coal mining. There was no collection which was coming to the state exchequer, which means there was no money for our hospitals, our schools, but nobody said anything. Similarly, during COVID, when the people were suffering, when there was rampant corruption there, nobody said anything.
RTI activist ikong Agnes Karshiying ibe kunting halor ka jingkeno ka jingkenrum kenram ka jela ilakren yangi sepang ka Sainpyrthei kam jong ka sorkar MDA ka blashat kelai ki briu ilakeno ba ka sorkar kamlong ka sorkar ka basai.
The development, if you have money, you spend a lot. Say you are trying to show that you develop, but it is all cheap standard development and waste of public money. And corruption, yes, we get information that they are buying land right, left, center, which should be accountable, especially in the electoral. Every year they should upload that how much they have bought land so that public will know.
Habayada ya ka jingkeno ka jing pembiang kinong yalam kaseng NPP kalanyo ye ki jing job jongka ha ki babun kiliang inong ay kitin jong kaseng NPP i Dr. M Amprin Lingdo iong ka sorkar MDA kalamat ye shibon ki jing job bat ki jing rem ka klam COVID-19 ka pini ka jing ka ba crowd ha ba ka sorkar kalay kendo Watla ikubor bagi don ki jing keno persya ka sorkar kinong yalam kaseng NPP kilala banle shibon ki ka por ka baki mat ya kini ki jing ilaya ru ya ka sorkar namar kimti may le persya ki jing ki bami ka por COVID ila kubor ba ka MDA kala haban mat ki jing ka sukasan ka jing khang shipor ka internet ka day ka ba laya tirsani bha ini inong yalam ke NPP la kubor bagi don kijeng deko hakikat tu kat ni ki benta ya ka baka sorkar Jilla kamla bante la kam Henry klala ban wan pai biang hakasnem 8,000 puar hakabalala ban shimi shibun kisin jam balala ban wan raya bon teli ki scheme.
By and large, the MDA government, despite all the lapses that were felt to have occurred, quickly came, sprung back into action, and handled that quite adequately. There were certain law and order situations that MDA had to face. The one thing that one recalls very vividly is especially the fact that the internet ban was something that was debated largely by the public, and subsequent rebuttals were made by the government justifying those actions taken. There were some failures with regards to handling of certain situations. Now, there have been inquiries instituted. There have been replies being made on the floor of the House. Some of them are still pending. But by and large, life went on.
Namar ka jing mi ki jing no ba ka MDA kamlong ka babyang inong yalam ka seng UDP ila penjengaya lede na ki wei pat ki seng. I president ki UDP iba met ba lingdo dang siya na baikran bagilat patay kubor ila kam. Bakam don kanu kabakum kata pelada don kum kita ki AKA lala banya penbet no hapo. Hakabi day bat karay ben tray tang marway inong yalam ke UDP ila kentat di kejengkeli namar ba kim pat la ben pensai bakin kershan ki sengsan hima tat hadu banda dep ke election. Haka election kaba kum ka jingi kun persya apadang ke National People's Party jong menteri rang ba ke jelau Conrad K Sangma bat ke Trinamool Congress jong ka Mamata Banerjee. Kabenta jo kiseng riulom kalong na kabenta ban la ban house lada jaba dan manu ban yo ke jingjop basolonsar. Henry hashwa jo ka jingthap vote ka ban long ka ar punyaw terek rempang bon kiseng riulom kila persang ban penklanya ke jingelap election jongki. Bat ke UDP ke belong menta ka way ni kiseng ka betre lang bat ke sarkar belalam kmat na ke NPP Meghalaya. Kanyang marway lamete lok pat kinong ki sengsan hima hakini ki election menta ubnai rimpang.
There's no anti-incumbency at all. We are working as a party, as a team. This speaks that the party is united as one. We may have differences, whatever it is, but we sort it out within the party. That is the internal matter of the party. Whenever anybody have the freedom to express anything within the party. So I don't see any kind of anti-incumbency.
Kajing rungjong ka All India Trinamool Congress kalawan ra kajing kala kasengsan hima sima ha kajala. Kinong jit kala klumar na mar kajing sngow jong ki kalong kabaya kle. Minta balasa satang shi benai duna ban thep vote kinong thep vote Meghalaya kelas dang ban long ki bahusyar. Bar kila long ki penkre ya kini ki election.
MDA government I find is like a BJP government only. It's a Modi government, Amit Shah government, but what I feel our business is going very down. Financially, we are very weak. Our Indian financial situation is very weak because I'm telling India, NDA and BJP is the same. Yeah? They are like a twins brother. So we are suffering. So Modi should take initiative of NDA government because they have two MLA, BJP MLA with them, and other regional parties also there. But we are suffering.
I think this government is better than the another one that was before. So the MDA government have done a lot of things regarding the business. They've set up so many businesses for people. So I think the MDA government have done a lot of things for the people, for the better of Meghalaya, I think.
Unong yalam kaseng Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangmau lakan tho juri ke sarkar NDA kablawan ra ka jeng deko kaliang ki project penroy ka jela. Uniu nong yalam kaliang persya padu belong menteri rangba berim ke jela Mukul Sangmau lakan tho halor ka jeng bemla jong ka National People's Party ka belong ka seng ka blalam kmat ya ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakabe day ka jeng bo ikatura Medical College.
That when we are trying to draw the attention of the government about the irregularities, about the alleged corruptions, about the kind of dislocation of their priorities, keeping in mind the crucial sectors, there has been a tendency that, okay, this is only for the political reasons. But I have repeatedly reminded people that this is our responsibility to remind the policymakers, to remind the government, to remind the authorities. It's not an allegation. It's an attempt which is sincere, based on our commitment to draw the attention of the people who are required to be reminded.
Kiseng ki papaw hakani ka Jingiakneih election ke National People's Party Congress Trinamool Congress kala persang bat pinyadai bat kiseng riulom ki berit kumjo ru bat ki kertong shimet ki belala ban wan rai ka jing kala ka jing thau sarkar bat kani ka i kum ka e ka bom i la lat ha ka jela ka jing ma ba on omla ban thau sarkar tang ka wei ka seng Hindray bandon ka jing thau sarkar jong kiseng prepare kala pau shai ha ka rukom yala election namar omdan manu ban kin tho persha ikibak ya khun persha namar baki perkhat bandon ka jinge trailang ha ka bor banwan ka bakham sutanat kalong ban nado baka jela kala yo yala ka jong ka jingsin shar ban lat na ka jela asam kala don ka jing sinjor kaliang ka rukom sinshar ban ya ka jing long ha ka san hima sima lat no aka election jong ka sien ka beningkong ka ba ka jingjap jong ka wei ka seng kalong solansar election in Meghalaya ka dega dak jong ka jingsin shar ka basinjar bat ka ba don ki ba yo ka jingsin shar ka ba solansar baro ar kata kiseng riulum bat kumjo ru kiseng jong ka san hima jong ka rib kan thop ka Indian National Congress kila persang ban yo ki brio ban kershani ki hinre kimju la ban yo ka jingjap habaro hinrio potli ki Shuki ka jingbum yo ka jingjap ba solansar kala plie ka lenti ban haban thau ka sarkar sinrop na do ka election jong ka sien ba ar ka jilla ha do kini si kumta ka pau shai ba ka jingdon jong ka sarkar sinrop ka long ka ka ba omla ban lai Bureau Report DD News Shillong